Okay, well, day 3. I'm not gonna document every single day, but I will document some days. It's time to work on the 8.6 that actually runs today. I'm gonna replace the gasket and yeah, hopefully get it running a little bit better. Look at my cup, it's got a cookie. Look at this, how pretty it is out here. Eight six. 2 of them. Okay. This out, look. Ready? Wizard! Hello, Izzy. Little baby. Yeah. Look what I got. Lizard. Now save me 15% now. Look how cute he is. He's a little pattern.
Yep.
He's a pretty guy. Alright, he's gotta help. Come on. Fix it. Carburetor. Look at this. Flowers. And the bees. Look at this pumpkin. You got a pumpkin, a big one right there. Look.
Nice.
Right there. It's so pretty out here.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we might as well replace it anyway since it's already there. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh. Yeah, that's good though. Half those bolts were loose, huh?
Mm-hmm.
That's good. That means when you tighten it down.
This last did not tighten them up.
Well, maybe they tightened them, but all the vibrations of, you know, the million potholes in a row on the road out here kind of shook it loose, you know? Here's a new gasket. I'm going to scrape the surface though and kind of clean this up a little bit so that the new one seats. Yeah, needs a nice little scrape. Scrape it. Yeah. I think I'm gonna ship this car to Florida too. I don't know. I kind of want an 8.6 over in Florida with me. That would be cool. And there's absolutely no way I can get one in Florida because of the prices of them. But I could ship this guy over there. I was thinking about it. I want to lower it and put it on wheels, but I'm going to be reasonable with my money, and that's an extra, so I want to make sure it runs and drives good before any extras. That's not like me, but whatever. You know, I'm in another place where it's a lot harder to find things. I've been in the market looking. Look at this. This definitely was leaking from here. Look at all that gunk. All that gunk coming off of that. Hopefully tonight, if this thing is back together and we don't have to use too much RTV, maybe we can take it to the beach. I want to see sunset on the beach again. There's a local beach here. It's so pretty. So pretty. I didn't realize it's like, you know, maybe 5 or 10 minutes down the road from here. And I want to go there again.
Do that.
Ooh. Scrape off more gasket maker. Yeah?
Yep.
This time we have fuel resistant RTV instead of our red RTV. That's not, probably not fuel resistant.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna put this.
Put it right there first.
Put it right there first. Yay.
Yay.
Yay. Oh god, I can't even see over here.
So nice, you know.
Yeah, I'm so good at this. Don't put that much, that's how much.
That's goopy.
That's goopy, yeah. Dripping down on your finger.
Drip. It's wet.
It's stringy.
Yeah, this is definitely not gonna cure in 60 minutes.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Put it away.
Put it away. Ugly. Ugly.
That's the word of the day.
Yep.
They look like spider webs, but is that the RTV? Or just spider webs?
Spider webs.
Oh, okay.
It's Charlotte webs.
Charlotte's web. Okay. Very nice.
Oh my god.
Way too much RTV, but it's okay. It's okay. Oh, here comes the carb.
Oh wait, we gotta put these first.
Oh yeah, put them before. Put the nuts. Alright, it's back to go there.
Yup.
We gotta find some water, some coolant, put in there.
Just put water.
And sit for 24 hours.
Yup.
Let it bake. It's gotta cook.
Gotta cook.
Let it cook.
You gotta let it cook. Yep.
You gotta let it cook. Look at what we got. Steering column.
With a little, I mean, it looks alright. It could get a restoration though. Restoration.
Yeah, it's cracked though, pretty bad. That's okay.
It's moldy.
Yeah, we got
Cracked.
the column for that guy down there.
Hopefully
so
the keys work on this. Let me see.
oh, did it come with a key or no? Yeah, we'll use the other ignition. Look, it's pretty.